Hey folks, and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop. As you guys can probably see, my boat's not in here. Took it out to the lake and it sunk. No, I'm kidding. I don't have much for this video. Boat ran fine, performed fine. I got a couple of little clips of that. A few fish we caught, and yeah, I guess I'll show you that. little picture of the day's catch from boat testing video. Alright folks, sorry it was a short video, just kind of wanted to show you, you know, the boat out on the lake. I guess I finally finished a project. I think that's the first time ever on this channel. Actually had a project to completion, even though it's not complete. There's still a few more little things I got to do on the trailer. I got one of my turn signals out. I want to put a new jack on the front of it, and I still did not do those trailer bunks. I threw caution to the wind, and they need replaced, but I mean it works for now. I'll just wait until one of these warmer days when I actually take the boat down to the river here in town and go cruising around where I'm close to home. So if I have any issues, I guess I can send somebody back to the house or have somebody stay with the boat. That being said, I have been working in my garage trying to create space because, well, it's May now and my Firebird has been gone for a year, sitting at my buddy's place, trying to make time with work and everything else. So I don't know if I'll have a video next week or not. I do have to do some preventative maintenance. I got a valve cover gasket on my little Toyota. I'll probably try and film that. I did some today on our van. Both lock actuators in the sliding doors on the van went out. One locked it open and the other one locked it closed. And that was not a fun job. I was trying to film that, and let's just say the language I was saying to my van was not appropriate for YouTube, so I'm just not going to post that. Other than that, yeah, like I said, I got to do some preventative maintenance on my, or I guess not preventative maintenance, it's just maintenance for a leaky valve cover gasket. And then hopefully we'll get some footage of me driving a couple of 1,000 miles to pick up my Firebird, and hopefully by then I'll have enough room in here. We can slide it in, and then I'll keep cleaning in here, and we'll start working on the Firebird again. But that's all I got. So I guess we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.